Hello, today I will show you how to reset settings in Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now access the list of applications by swiping up again and select Settings. Now swipe up and select General Management. Here there's a reset option, choose it, and now we are in the reset menu. Here you can choose Reset Settings. This will reset all the settings in your phone except for security, language and account settings. If you're sure of that, choose Reset Settings and Reset Settings again. The phone will now restart and reset all settings, so wait a couple seconds. And the phone has been restored to its default settings and you are ready. So, if this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.